Oh no. There we go. Alright, what is up, YouTube? Thought I'd do a little precursor video, I guess. A little, what do you call it? I don't know what to call it. But I realized there's some information I left out of the last video. Oh, shifting to third, there we go. I realized there's a little bit of information I forgot to say in my last video. Also, don't mind some of these parts that are on here already. It's, yeah, we'll get to that. But anyways, the Grom clone. The Boom Vader, the BD125. What is this guy doing? It's a clone of the Grom from Amazon for $1,400 shipped to your door, and it is a riding motorcycle. What are these people doing? Anyways, it is a riding motorcycle that you can get licensed for the street. It's pretty freaking awesome. Thought I'd just do a little video showing you that it in fact runs and rides, and it gets me places all the time. But yeah, $1,400 shipped to your door, comes in a crate. You gotta put a couple things on, like the rear wheel, handlebars, or no, sorry, front wheel and the handlebars. Yeah, it's really not that bad. If you got some basic tools and some basic know-how, you can do it yourself. If not, get a buddy. I'm sure you got a buddy who knows how to put things together. It's not too bad. There's a million videos on it. Yeah, they send you an MCO, a manufacturer's certificate of origin. You take that down to your local DOL office and you get a license plate and a title, and you go rip. Or don't register it, I don't care. I'm not the law. I'm not gonna tell. But yeah, these are not bad little bikes. I highly recommend them. I wanted one forever, and I finally decided to pull the trigger. It's like, you know what? I'm doing it. They're cheap enough. This kid. But yeah, they'll do like 50, 60. Mine does about 60. They got functioning blinkers, they got a functioning headlight and tail light. It's everything you need in a bike. It's got a starter, it's got a horn. It's got stuff. But yeah, I will say these bikes, they do run and ride straight out of the crate. You don't really have to do anything to them. They just go. Eventually parts will fail, and the parts that come on them are crappy, and that's why we are doing this whole series and showing you what to fix and how to fix it. It's pretty easy. Everything on these is cheap too, like dirt cheap. It's stupid. It's a dirt cheap bike. Come on, I got places to be. Hopefully you guys enjoy my crummy videos. I feel so awkward watching myself on those. It's hard. It's hard. Wanted to throw in the towel about a million times, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna do it for you guys. We are going to put it out there for the world to see, and we're only gonna get better. Who the fuck is honking? Some more. Oh, I think I just inhaled a bug. But anyways, Grom clone from Amazon. It's dude, they're like $1,400 shipped to your door. Riding motorcycle. you could title it for street use. Like, they're awesome. They're freaking awesome. Highly recommend. And you can put a bunch of cool parts on them to make them cool. All of which we're going to do for you. We're going to put all the cool parts on. We're going to show you how to put them on. We're going to link all the stuff so you can get the same stuff we got if you want to. You know it's going to work. You know how it's going to work. Yeah. Anyways, just wanted to show you. It is a riding motorcycle right out the box. You don't even really have to do anything to them. And it drives straight. And they're decently quick. Like, just got to about 50 through there. I mean, mine will do 70. And that's fully wrapped out. Like, ain't going any faster. But yeah, not a bad little motorcycle for about $1,000, $1,400 shipped. Like, I've definitely spent more money on worse bikes. Me blowing through all these stop signs here. Free? What's free? There's a free alleyway. Riding bike. I don't know what much more to say about it. Like, it does the thing. It does the thing motorcycles are supposed to do. That's not a bad little, like, around town commuter bike. Honestly, I've been riding the hell out of this thing. You see, we got 600 something miles on it. 666 miles on it. Gnarly. Yeah, I've been running all of my errands on this bike. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Anyways, I don't know how or where to end the video, so I guess we'll just do it now.